Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can import shop page template in your Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see this one is the current template. So now I want to import one another template. Let me go in website dashboard, and after that here you can find out templates, then theme builder. And after that here you can find out product archive, then edit. Now Elementor page builder is loading. After that you can easily create a template and you can import your existing templates. So now I want to import a new template. Let me go here and after that click on templates, then upload the template. And here I have this file .json. So you can upload this format and zip format. Now here you can see template is added. Now click on insert, and here you can see template is imported. Now you can easily customize these colors. So let me use navigator, and here you can add the background image. Now let's go and check the template if it works. After that you can go back to the display conditions, make sure that you have selected the shop page. Now let's go back and reload this page. Now here you can see template is working fine.